The Holy Grail is traditionally thought to be the cup that Jesus Christ drank from at the Last Supper, and that Joseph of Arimathea used to collect Jesus' blood at his crucifixion. From ancient legends to contemporary movies, the Holy Grail has been an object of mystery and fascination for centuries. Scores of people have hunted for this sought after Christian relic. The word Grail probably comes from the Latin word gradle, which refers to a deep platter that foods were served on at the medieval banquets. Throughout the years, the Grail has been described as a dish, a ciborium, a calic, a platter, a goblet, and even a stone. Many literary works have portrayed the Grail as possessing miraculous healing powers. The quest for the Holy Grail first made its way into written text in Cretin de Troyes' Old Friends Unfinished Romance, the story of the Grail, or Percival, which was written around 1180. The Holy Grail became a popular theme in medieval literature, and stories about it were read and recited throughout Europe. Some Arthurian tales claim that Joseph of Arimathea brought the Grail to Glastonbury in England. One legend has it that on the spot where he buried the Grail, the water runs red because it travels through Christ's blood. Others believed the Knights Templar, a medieval order that protected pilgrims traveling to the Holy Land, seized the Holy Grail from the Temple Mount during the Crusades and secreted it away. The mythical literary figure King Arthur was said to coordinate great spiritual expeditions to search for the enigmatic relic. Legends hold that the Grail had the power to heal all wounds, deliver eternal youth, and grant everlasting happiness. In one popular Arthurian story, a character known as the Fisher King had a serious wound that kept him from moving. He needed the Grail to be healed and could only sit and fish near his castle until someone found the magical cup. In March 2014, two Spanish historians claimed they discovered the Holy Grail at a church in Leon in northern Spain. They said that a calic had been there since the 11th century. Scientific dating confirmed that the cup was made between 200 BC and 100 AD. The historians also presented data that included 3 years of research on the whereabouts of the Grail. Despite these convincing facts, there's no way to know for sure that what the pair discovered is actually the true cup that Jesus drank from. Adding to the controversy is the fact that there are roughly 200 alleged Grail cups in various locations around the world, and many scholars question whether the Holy Grail ever existed at all or is merely a legend. In recent years, the Holy Grail has appeared in many popular books and movies. Some of these films include Monty Python and the Holy Grail 1975, Excalibur 1981, Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade 1989, and The Fisher King 1991. In Dan Brown's popular novel The Vinci Code, the Holy Grail isn't described as an object, but instead as Mary Magdalene's womb. The book proposed that Mary gave birth to Jesus' child, which started a bloodline of Christ. Although scholars may never know whether the Holy Grail was an actual physical object or simply a mythical fantasy. The mysterious relic continues to fascinate millions even to this day.